Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today. My name is David Sultan. I'm the Director of Sales Engineering within InRiver. I'm excited to be here and share some information.
Thanks for the introduction,
about the new InRiver and thanks for joining us today. My name is David Sultan. I'm the Director of Sales Engineering within InRiver.
Highlighting the
I'm excited to be here and share some
Thanks for the
information.
introduction,
about the new InRiver
and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan. Share some
Thanks for the
information.
introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
And the publish. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft uploaded. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft uploaded. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft uploaded. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft uploaded. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft uploaded. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft uploaded. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today.
My name is David Sultan.
Microsoft uploaded. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound.
Share some
Thanks for the
Thanks for the introduction, and thanks for joining us today. My name is David Sultan. I'm the Director of Sales Engineering within InRiver. I'm excited to be here and share some information about the new InRiver Product Marketing Cloud release. I will start with a brief presentation and product demonstration highlighting the latest features. But before we do so, I wanted to make sure that I go through some specific information about InRiver from a product flow perspective. InRiver has 4 phases: the supply, the enrich, the plan and release, and the publish. On the supply side, that's where we can connect to any inbound information. So for example, your ERP system, whether you're running SAP or you're running Microsoft, Oracle, we can connect to any one of those systems and be able to pull basic information about your products. We can also have Excel spreadsheets uploaded, and there are other various ways of getting data into InRiver so you can start the enrichment process. Now, once the data is flown into InRiver and you have your basic information, you'll move into the next phase, which is really the enrich phase. And during this phase, what happens is users will be notified that new products came in. They'll be able to put some romance copy about the product, maybe put in some categorizations, maybe taxonomy, assigning features, benefits, the additional descriptions, and obviously assign digital assets to those particular products. You'll have the ability to also link products to product and have some kind of cross-sell, upsell as well, building bundles. So the enrichment state is sort of at the heart of the PIM process. Now, once you've got all your product enrichment complete, then you may have different users or the same users who are responsible for mapping those products to your channels. So if you happen to sell your products on multiple channels, as an example, print could be your first channel, building catalog. Your online channels could be your own website. And maybe you have your own commerce site where you actually sell your products. And also you may have decided to sell your product through one of those retailers, Amazon, maybe Google, Walmart, Target, Home Depot, etc. So all of those can also be set up in here. So what happens is once you map your product to your channels, you can have a process that automatically pushes them to the channel in the correct format, the correct time, and even the correct descriptions for that particular channel.